Welcome to Reinke's Fun Fact Friday. Did you know that Reinke is manufactured by a high tensile steel? Makes it lighter, but the steel is much stronger than a normal mild steel. To accommodate the difference in weight from our competitors, Reinke has also designed a wider base beam that distributes weight more evenly to help accommodate for the weight. It puts less stress on your gearboxes and gives you much more longevity on the drive shafts and the drive motor. Reinke has also got a unique single tower leg, which is less intrusive on the crop. And for our final fact, Reinke has got a patented gasket seal that sits between the two flanges on the pipes when they connect together. Because the metal around the seal closes completely with the bolts and nuts, the seal is protected from the elements that nature can give it. Thank you very much.